Not so much, not enough. Our life in Canada on winter. So yan, merong ice na umuo sa doorstep namin. That we use so that it could melt. This one will help. This one. Ice melt. We use this para doon sa mga ice sa mga front doors namuo sa mga pathways para safe, walang madulas. Be careful, it's so slippery. Where's your sister?
Slip by the ice. You should walk like a penguin.
Walk like a penguin?
Yeah.
Walk like a penguin.
Walk like a penguin.
Snowing again. Yan. We're off to school. Nag-i-snow na naman. Madilim pa ang paligid. You cannot cross by yourself. Come, hold my hand. It's happening. What's happening, Hannah?
No.
Snowy. You're sneezing.
Found it under car.
What's that?
No.
What is that?
An icicle.
Come
Find
on.
it everywhere.
We're gonna get late. You don't want to be late, right?
Wait, let's just see. Let's crash.
Don't crush it. Come on, let's go.
I know.
Hannah, be careful.
It's like a magnifying glass.
Let me see. Oh, it's na snow. Oh, yan oh. Oh, kiss na. Love you. Kiss everyone. Love you. Bye. See you later.
Bye.
Yes, bye. See you later, alligator. Yeah, I'm gonna wait here. Hi po, mother. Talaga naglalakad ka kahit snow, ah. Pa? Binibili ko yung dalawang bata. Malamig na rin po. Bunny. Biruin nyo, balikan pa. Nakailang balik pa. Tinan mo yung lupod ko, baka matanayan. Magbihis ko na. This is the new norm. The new norm. Instead of wearing scarf, you wear mask. Yes. That's good. It's all white. Snowy day. Snowy. And we're late. We're late, guys. Hurry up. Oops. Late.
Hello guys! Magsushovel kami. Napakakapal ng snow dito sa amin. Pakita namin sa inyo. Hi! Kapal na snow! Ayan. We're gonna shovel our pathway. I'm going to... Our sidewalk is done. Done shoveling the sidewalk. Are you good? Are you good? Are you okay? Are you tired? You're not tired? Where? You wanna go now? Are you tired? Okay, go now. Okay. Let's go. Hindi na dito. Kanila na yan, oh. Hindi na atin. Doon ka na kasi. Kaya ka na tired kasi nililinis mo, hindi naman sa harapan mo. Hey, I thought you're tired. Come on, let's go inside. My little helper. That's your way of removing the snow? Huh? That's your way of removing the snow? Oh my gosh, look at you. Look at you, you're swimming. You're swimming on the snow. Stand up. Okay, careful. What are you doing? Are you a? You're a snow angel? Snow angel. Yay, snow angel.
My snowball.
Show me your snowball again. Pick a snowball again. Your snowball. Okay. Hey, what are you making? It's not sand. Snow castle. Don't break my pot. I'll let you borrow my pot, but don't break it. Wow. Come on, let's get inside. My hand is freezing. Don't break my pot. My itchy break pot. Don't break my pot. My itchy break pot. Whoa. Perfect shape. Is that perfect shape?
I promise I'll make one.
Okay. Don't break my pot. My itchy breaky pot.
I'll try to put this here.
Hey, remove that snow. Look at you. It goes inside your clothes. Hey, Hannah, there is, see, snow inside. Let's get inside now.
No one more here.